In today's fast-moving world of mass production, true craftsmanship is becoming increasingly rare. Yet, in this modern factory, tradition and technology come together to create something extraordinary. Here, every buffalo leather bag and wallet begins its journey not as a simple product, but as a promise of durability, elegance, and timeless quality. From the moment raw hides arrive at the facility, each step is carefully designed to preserve the natural strength and beauty of the material. This is not just manufacturing. It is a precise, disciplined art form that blends human skill with advanced engineering. Behind these walls, hundreds of dedicated professionals work in perfect coordination. Engineers, craftsmen, technicians, and designers all share a single goal: to transform raw buffalo hides into premium accessories trusted by customers around the world. Every movement is calculated. Every machine is calibrated. Every decision is guided by years of experience and strict quality standards. In this factory, nothing is left to chance. Each product represents thousands of hours of research, training, and refinement. Buffalo leather is known for its exceptional toughness, rich texture, and natural character. Unlike ordinary leather, it requires special care and advanced processing to unlock its full potential. That is why this facility invests heavily in modern technology, sustainable practices, and continuous innovation. From climate-controlled storage rooms to intelligent monitoring systems, every environment is optimized to protect and enhance the material. This commitment ensures that every bag and wallet not only looks beautiful, but also stands the test of time. As we begin this journey inside the production line, you will witness how raw materials evolve into luxury accessories through a series of carefully controlled stages. You will see how science, craftsmanship, and creativity merge at every step. From preparation and tanning to cutting, stitching, packaging, and distribution, each phase plays a critical role in shaping the final product. What may seem simple on the outside is, in reality, the result of an incredibly complex and coordinated process. So, welcome to the heart of modern leather manufacturing. In this documentary, we invite you to look beyond the finished product and discover the passion, precision, and dedication behind every stitch and every seam. This is the story of how buffalo leather bags and wallets are made, from raw material to refined excellence. Every great product begins with a careful selection of raw materials, and in this factory, that principle is taken seriously. Long before a single stitch is sewn, specialists evaluate each buffalo hide with trained eyes and experienced hands. They examine thickness, elasticity, grain patterns, and natural markings, understanding that every detail will influence the final result. Only hides that meet the highest standards are approved to move forward. This rigorous selection process forms the foundation of quality that defines every finished bag and wallet. Once accepted, the hides enter a carefully controlled preparation environment. Temperature, humidity, and air circulation are continuously monitored to prevent damage and preserve structural integrity. Advanced storage systems ensure that each hide remains stable while waiting for processing. Here, technology works silently in the background, protecting materials that have traveled long distances to reach this facility. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is overlooked. The next step is conditioning, a critical phase where raw hides begin their transformation into workable leather. Inside massive rotating drums, the material is gently cleaned, softened, and prepared for tanning. Specialized solutions penetrate deep into the fibers, restoring moisture and flexibility while removing impurities. This delicate balance requires constant monitoring. A slight change in temperature or chemical concentration can affect the final texture, color, and durability of the leather. Throughout this stage, technicians rely on both digital systems and personal experience. Computerized sensors provide real-time data, but human judgment remains essential. Skilled operators listen to the rhythm of the machines, observe subtle changes in movement, and adjust settings based on years of practice. It is this combination of data-driven precision and human intuition that separates ordinary production from exceptional craftsmanship. As the hides complete their initial preparation, they are no longer raw materials. They have become refined resources, ready for advanced processing. Strengthened, stabilized, and carefully preserved, they now carry the potential to become luxury accessories that will accompany customers for years, even decades. This early stage may remain invisible to most consumers, but it is here, in silence and precision, that quality truly begins. With the leather now fully prepared and stabilized, the manufacturing process enters its most critical stage, transformation. This is where carefully treated buffalo hides begin their journey from refined material to recognizable products. Inside vast production halls, precision cutting systems translate digital designs into physical reality. Laser-guided machines and steel presses slice through thick leather with absolute accuracy, ensuring that every piece matches exact specifications. Even a millimeter of error can affect balance, durability, and appearance. Here, perfection is not optional, it is the standard. But machines alone do not define this stage. Alongside advanced automation, skilled craftsmen bring human artistry into every product. Experienced hands guide leather through industrial sewing machines, reinforce stress points, and shape edges with practiced precision. Each stitch serves a purpose. Each fold is carefully measured. Each seam reflects decades of accumulated knowledge. This harmony between technology and tradition creates products that are both technically flawless and emotionally authentic. Throughout the assembly process, quality remains the central focus. Supervisors continuously inspect workstations, examining stitching tension, alignment, and structural stability. Digital tracking systems record every step, linking each component to its production history. If an irregularity appears, the process stops immediately. Corrections are made. Standards are reinforced. Nothing moves forward until it meets exact expectations. As individual components come together, flat leather panels gradually evolve into three-dimensional forms. Bags gain their structure. Wallets acquire their compartments. Frames are molded. Logos are embossed. Edges are sealed. In slow, deliberate movements, raw materials are transformed into functional works of design. Under carefully positioned lights, textures deepen, colors intensify, and surfaces gain their final character. This phase represents the soul of production. It is where engineering meets craftsmanship, where data meets intuition, and where efficiency meets creativity. Every finished piece carries within it the invisible fingerprints of dozens of professionals, designers, operators, technicians, and artisans, all united by a commitment to excellence. What emerges from this stage is more than a product. It is the physical expression of precision, pride, and purpose. After the core structure of each bag and wallet is complete, the production process moves into its final refinement stage. This is where craftsmanship is elevated into presentation, and functionality is transformed into luxury. Every surface is carefully polished. Every edge is smoothed. Every metal component is tested for strength and reliability. Zippers are opened and closed hundreds of times. Clasps are locked and released. Handles are pulled and examined. Nothing is assumed to be perfect. Everything must be proven. In specialized finishing zones, technicians apply protective coatings that enhance durability and resistance to moisture, heat, and daily wear. These treatments are nearly invisible to the eye, yet they play a critical role in extending the product's lifespan. Using precision tools and calibrated spray systems, workers ensure that each layer is applied evenly. The result is leather that not only looks refined, but also performs reliably under real-world conditions. Branding is introduced with equal care and responsibility. Heated embossing plates press logos into leather surfaces with exact pressure and temperature. Gold foils, serial numbers, and authenticity tags are added in synchronized motion. Each mark represents accountability, a promise that the product meets the company's highest standards. Behind every logo stands a system of inspection, documentation, and traceability that protects both the brand and the customer. Once branding is complete, products move into protective packaging stations. Here, bags and wallets are wrapped in soft tissue, placed into custom-designed boxes, and secured with cushioning materials. Automated systems and human inspectors work together to guarantee that each item is shielded from dust, moisture, and impact during transport. Even the packaging itself reflects the values of precision and elegance. At this stage, the transformation is complete. What began as raw buffalo hide has become a refined accessory, carefully prepared for its journey into the world. Every detail, visible and invisible, has been shaped by intention. The product is no longer just manufactured. It is presented, protected, and ready to represent the craftsmanship behind it. Before any product leaves this facility, it must pass through one final and uncompromising checkpoint: quality assurance. Under powerful inspection lights, trained specialists examine every detail with disciplined focus. They evaluate stitching consistency, structural balance, surface integrity, and mechanical performance. Advanced scanning systems analyze stress points and detect microscopic imperfections. Each product is tested not only to meet internal standards, but to exceed customer expectations. Only those that demonstrate flawless construction and long-term reliability are approved for shipment. Once cleared, finished goods enter a carefully orchestrated logistics network. Pallets are assembled with precision. Shipping routes are optimized through intelligent planning systems. Climate-controlled transport protects leather from extreme temperatures and humidity. From this facility, products travel across cities, countries, and continents, destined for boutiques, warehouses, and private customers around the world. Every movement is tracked. Every delivery is documented. Reliability is built into every step. But beyond technology and infrastructure lies something even more important: responsibility. This factory operates with a long-term vision, prioritizing ethical sourcing, environmental awareness, and workforce development. Water treatment systems reduce waste. Energy-efficient equipment minimizes emissions. Training programs empower employees to grow their skills and careers. Sustainability is not treated as a marketing slogan. It is embedded into daily operations. For the customer, these efforts may remain unseen. What they experience is confidence. Confidence in the feel of the leather. Confidence in the strength of the seams. Confidence in a product that performs consistently over time. Each bag and wallet becomes a companion in daily life, carried to meetings, travels, celebrations, and quiet moments alike. It becomes part of personal stories and professional journeys. And so, this is more than a story about manufacturing. It is a story about dedication, discipline, and pride in craftsmanship. From raw material to refined excellence, every step reflects a commitment to doing things the right way. This is how buffalo leather bags and wallets are made today, with purpose, precision, and passion, for a world that still values quality that lasts.